Vitamin D3 is an attention vitamin. It helps us to improve our focus. It is also called as sunshine vitamin, and it is very important for our health and our brain functions. Vitamin D3, though it is called as vitamin, it is hormone. This hormone is very essential for our bone health, teeth health, and brain health. What is the source of vitamin D3? The natural sunlight is the source of vitamin D3. When we are exposed to sunlight, our skin makes vitamin D3, and vitamin D3 is very much important for the brain waves function as well as neurotransmission function. So but nowadays what happens, we are having sedentary activities, we are almost inside the room in ACs, and we are not much having exposure to the sunlight, as well as there is a pollution, so the sunlight coming are also not that much creating vitamin D3. So there is a epidemic of vitamin D3 deficiency. What are the symptoms of vitamin D3 deficiency? You feel fatigue, you feel some hair loss, you feel some dental problems, you feel pain in the joints or in bones, and overall the stamina has been decreased. So what we can do is we can add vitamin D3 in our food. So what are the natural sources of vitamin D3? Number one is sunlight, second is milk, egg yolk, and there are some vegetables like fruits like orange. These give a natural source of vitamin D3, but it is in a very less amount. So we need to take the external supplement of vitamin D3. We can get it with the prescription of doctor. And vitamin D3 deficiency, we can test it. There is a vitamin D3 blood test. Once we do that, and once we come to know that our level is low, then the doctor can prescribe you the amount or the unit of the vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 is one of the very important factor in our blood and in our body. If vitamin D3 deficiency is there, it can create havoc in our whole system. It is not good to have a vitamin D3 even for the heart, even for kidneys, even for our lungs and whole organs in our body. Especially about mental health, vitamin D3 is very essential because vitamin D3 synchronizes the brain waves in the frontal lobe. So it actually creates a mind focus. So in order to have a focused mind, especially nowadays when children are having a attention deficit disorder, or we cannot focus in our work, our performance has been hampered. So at this time vitamin D3 can help us like a boon. So I think vitamin D3 deficiency is one of the very important cause for our low energy in our body. So just with this supplement we can manage our energy and good health, which is a good source of our attention, mind focus, and a great health with the great energy, because it is said that smile is the sunshine of mind, and I would say vitamin D3 is the sunshine of your brain. So use it and be happy. Thank you.